Welcome to English in a Minute. Americans use miles as a measure of distance. But what does it mean if you
go the extra mile?
Let's listen to Anna and Jonathan.
Oh my. Anna, that is an interesting look.
I am just trying out my Halloween costume a little early.
I see that. You sure do go the extra mile every Halloween. That must have taken time to make.
I just really want to win the costume contest this year.
To go the extra mile means to make a special effort at something. It can also mean to work very hard to reach a goal. Think of an athlete running an extra mile to train harder. And that's English in a Minute.